Be nice. So nice. Oh, be nice. Okay, be nice. There you go. She's very patient, isn't she? Yeah, she likes that bunny. Okay. Good job. You're playing with her. Be nice. I don't think she wants to eat the bunny. You like that bunny, don't you? Yeah. Trey, where's baby Sissy's mouth? Oh, that's her nose. Where's her mouth? Yeah, good. Good job. You tried to feed her a bottle yesterday, didn't you?